Open multiple instances of Excel without PERSONAL.xlsb lock message. Whenever I open more than I instance of Excel, I get the following message. PERSONAL.xlsb is locked for editing. Q. How can I disable or hide this message? Alternatively, if someone could suggest a way to improve Excel 2007 support for multiple monitors within a single instance, that would get around the problem as well. Note, I don't want to ignore other applications that use Dynamic Data Exchange, DDE, since it cripples other features that I use regularly.
This thread provides some options on how to stop this from happening. I have not had a change to test Excel 2010 multi-monitor support, but I can confirm that 2007 has no way of supporting one instance with files open on multiple monitors.
If you are not reliant on your personal macros, you can navigate to c:\users/appdata/local/Microsoft/Excel/Excel/start and make the personal.xlsb file read-only. That should stop the nagging. If two instances aren't necessary, you can also force Excel to open a new window for each file. It will show multiple instances in the taskbar, which I assume you can drag across monitors, but it will only have one copy of Excel running.
Unhide your personal.xlsb and turn on the Share Workbook option. You can then open as many instances of Excel as you want without that pesky read-only message. The only drawback is that if you want to actually add or edit a personal macro, you will have to unhide personal.xlsb again and turn the share option off again. You can't see or edit macros of shared workbooks, but you can run them. To find the Share Workbook option, press the Review tab and then press the Share Workbook button, which is in the Changes group. In Office 2007/2010, unhide personal.xlsb by opening a single instance of Excel and choosing Unhide from the View tab, Window section, Unhide button in Office 2007, share the workbook from the Review tab, Changes section, Share Workbook.
If you want to actually